Hi, this is Alan Chan, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity, and I'm gonna show you how to fix the player settings error by trying to reinstall the whole entire Unity software only, because there's no way of fixing it. It's not the coding fault. It's mostly the Unity software fault. The whole past saved backup files in the player settings will be broken. It's just some kind of software issue, I'm pretty sure. I already fixed it from my past YouTube video of the my video 27 in the Lightning Gravity. Oh, um, of this YouTube video, my first game 6 review. Yeah, when the player settings does not work from before, it's around here. Yeah, when the player settings does not work, it's down here. But I got some proof that by reinstalling it will works. Well, at first I want to show what error was this. It was argument execution, GUI layout, mismatched it layout group, repaint. And player settings down here, that's my past YouTube videos that have errors. Not errors. Not my YouTube have errors. My Unity game engine software have a bit of errors because I'm playing around with the player settings too much, which you shouldn't touch it too much. There's maybe a massive code that you can break easily. Yeah, it's for build settings as well. Yeah. Uh, yeah, that's the player setting that proved that I have errors from before. That I actually recorded it without me noticing it before. That I had to be installed my gaming software, game engine software. And this is my past. That I luckily got approved that is my past game engine. Um, software version. It was 2019 version 2.0 final version of 1. Yeah, and this is that I installed it is different from this one. Uh, 2019 version 2 4 final instead of 0 final, 0 final or something. That I reinstalled it not too long ago by going install, locate, not locate, add, and add whatever the new ones. Oh, actually, is it 14 final? Wait, how come it say 14 final? Oh no, that's the one. Never mind, not version 2. 0.4. It's 1.14 now. Oh, okay. Oh, whoops. I need to show you proof that I fixed it. Reopening back my Unity Hub. With the version 2.4 instead of 2.0 before. From that image 2.0 final, and this is 2.4 final. It's not the version number, I just have to reinstall to fix the player settings. That's what I'm pretty sure. So I have to open it, the player settings is already fixed it. There it should be. And trying to uh rebuild the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to open my Unity game now. See, 2.4 final that have been started before as a bit more updated version, and 2.0 final. So player settings. Um, Player settings. Um, Publishing. Yeah, I fixed it already. I'm pretty sure. But I'm gonna type in a password. I don't think so. You can see my password anyhow. Hopefully. Um, I just hopefully you don't know my password. Um, yeah. Hopefully it works this time. Yeah. You have to type in a password. I'm trying to turn on the volume. Yeah, open BlueStack to test does it work afterwards. Well, maybe I should install this. Uninstall this. Uh, well, that's not my video game. This will come in for me. It's not. Uh, See a date. It was since 2 days ago that I figured out the play settings have errors before. Sometimes I have play settings problem, but it slowly when have fully errors that cannot fix it until reinstalling it. This I figured out yesterday. But I now figure out how to fix it and just show it to you guys to play how to fix the player settings. It's still loading. Well, remember, don't cancel it all of a sudden. Also, the whole file might corrupt. That's one of the reasons that my thing corrupt, and plus changing the player settings too much. Yeah, that's why I figure out do not cancel build settings. Sometimes, always the whole Unity's game will might corrupted, and the play settings might corrupt at the same time. Yeah, so far it works now. Now I tested it by BlueStacks. Now it's installing it. No, yeah, not reinstall, installing it. Installed it. Oh, I need to do this. Because it's not Android cell phone. That's why the graph screen size is a bit different. I think this still works. But oh, it doesn't really matter, I guess. But 16. Oh, 16 times 9. It's still the same thing as um this 16 times 9. The ratio. Yeah. Oh, that's why it fits perfectly also. that's how you fix the player settings with some proof, but I didn't record it, and I didn't really record it while doing it, the reinstallation to fix the player settings, because I didn't really realize how to fix the player settings before. Yeah, now that's how you fix it. Yeah. Thank you.